Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel, and I'm reintroducing my fabulous Shop Weasel UFO Shiner Probe bait trap. It's the first great wonder of the fishing world because obviously what comes first is having the right bait. Great bait availability. And this is the most advanced bait trap out there. It has features unlike any other ever thought of before, and the fact that it has interchangeable bait heads, and you can customize this to catch just about any type of specific bait and probably shrimp. I've yet to explore that effort, but I'm pretty sure I could probably trap shrimp with this fine, fabulous bait trap. It's lightweight. It's very effective. Minnows of all types and shiners have no problem interacting with us. Probably saltwater species too, folks. And it's very simple to use. It's effortless. It's compact. It is ingenious. It's on the next level of great concepts in the consumer products, I guess I could say. And here it is. It's the Shop Weasel UFO Shiner Probe. And I've tried this bait trap out myself. I've gotten very great success. It has multiple bait stations built into it. You have a bait station built into every head that is removable, so you can effortlessly put bait into it, whatever your choice of baits are. And it deploys rapidly. It takes up very little room, and it's very well built. There you have it. It's just that simple to change your bait heads now, and it comes with it has a potential wide variety of bait heads, all of them with removable bait cups. Plus, in the base of it, there's a very generous, larger bait holder, and you have a lanyard. You can put different size lanyards on it for different depths of water. Very well constructed, and it takes up no space. You know, it all tears apart within seconds. To effortlessly fit in the smallest of spaces. Very well constructed, very heavy duty. There it is. And if you are an investor or a person that's aware of the sports fishing industry is a $40 billion a year industry, and if you want to possibly buy the intellectual property of this fine, fabulous product that I've engineered, I'm more than willing to sell it for $5 million. You can customize a wide variety of potential bait heads for this. It is fabulous. It's effective. It's fun. Bait's expensive. You can catch endless bait rapidly, faster than any other minnow trap or bait trap that I'm aware of. I've tested it multiple times and came out successful. I quit using other baits. I just use live minnows and bait fish now. Very fabulous. The lanyard snaps into here. You can use wire or rope lanyards, wide variety. There it is. I can also put a bait cover over the main bait tray also, even though you're not seeing one on there now. I do have them. There it is. Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel, anxious to get this video loaded. It's the Shop Weasel UFO Shiner Probe. I'm Jason Faulkner. My phone number is 423-231-2241. I was impressed with the performance that my bait trap gave me. I've never seen, and you can see on my other videos, live fish and minnows interact with this effortlessly, freely, willingly. And it's a very fun new concept. It's awesome. I love it. Thank you for your time.